Hey everybody, Nathan here with SouthernIndianaMortgage.com, and I want to do a short video to talk about 7 benefits that a customer might see by doing a debt consolidation refinance. And I want to kind of go over those really quickly for you, just to kind of give you an idea of what you could be looking at if you're hoping to cut down some of your monthly bills that you have and increase your cash flow or monthly cash flow that you have currently. So the first option, or the first thing that could happen with a debt consolidation refi, is a lower house payment. So your payment may be able to go down depending on some factors that you have on your home currently, depending on what your current interest rate is, if you have mortgage insurance or not, and different things like that. It's possible that your payment could go lower. It's also possible that you could have a shorter term. So you may have a 30-year loan and you've paid on it for 4 or 5 years, and you want to refinance it with a refinance or even a debt consolidation program. You may be able to drop that term from 30 years down to a 20, 15, or even a 10-year loan. So something to keep in mind there. Now, keep in mind, all these benefits are going to vary from customer to customer, from your situation to someone else's, but I want to give you an idea of some different benefits that you could see. Number 3, you may be able to eliminate your mortgage insurance. So home values have risen quite a bit over the past couple of years. I'm sure you've seen that on the news or noticed in your area that homes have been selling like crazy, which means it's basically causing home values to go up. The nice thing about that is that may allow you to eliminate that mortgage insurance. And, with, like, for example, if you had an FHA loan and your mortgage insurance is, kind of high, for example, depending on your actual, loan amount, you may be able to get rid of that if you have, 20% equity. So that's something to keep in mind. You may even be able to eliminate it if you don't have, that much equity, but there may be a way to actually get rid of it, in a different situation that we can talk about. But again, it's possible to eliminate that mortgage insurance, which if you look on your mortgage statement that you get every month from your lender, you're going to see your principal and interest, you're going to see your escrow, you're going to see that mortgage insurance line. How great would it be to get rid of that mortgage insurance line from your mortgage and even shorten your term out? So that's something to remember there. With a cash out or a debt consolidation refinance, you can also get cash back, and you can use that cash for any reason. So basically, you could use that cash back to, basically number 5 here, to pay off your debts. So maybe you have some credit cards or some student loans, personal loans, or medical bills that you want to get taken care of and get those paid. You could use the cash back to pay off those debts, with this option. So again, it's a great thing to consider. Number 6, tax benefits. So if you think about it, interest on a credit card is not tax deductible. Interest on a personal loan is not, and that type thing. But interest on a mortgage interest that you pay is tax deductible, and it allows you to that to be deducted from your taxes, which causes your overall, tax burden to be less, and could possibly, depending on your tax bracket, mean that you pay less money in, or also means that you may get a little bigger refund at the end of the year, depending on how your situation is set up. And finally, number 7, you may be able to actually skip 1 payment or even 2 payments with the program that we have with the debt consolidation program that I'm talking about here. So it'd be nice, coming into the holidays, around a certain time of the year that you may want to try to save, every dollar counts. You want to save a little money and not have a house payment for that month. Maybe a good just bit extra benefit to you doing that. And obviously, you wouldn't want to do all this just to skip a payment. But if you were getting a couple of these benefits, 3 or 4 of them, and you get to skip a payment or 2, then that's just a nice little add-on there that you could have. So anyway, so I want to cover 7 of those benefits for you for a debt consolidation refinance. Feel free to give our office a call. You can reach us at the numbers below this video. We'd love to talk to you about it. We offer a no obligation free quote for you, and we can talk about what options you have, and then most importantly, how much money you can save each month by doing a program like this. So again, reach out to us. We look forward to speaking with you, and we wish you all the best, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.